Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in Missouri, including the benefits, steps to get started, and important requirements to get your business up and running. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39 with Northwest Registered Agent, saving you both time and money. So now let's jump right into step 1. So step 1, choose a name for your LLC. Choosing the right name for your LLC is crucial. Not only does it represent your business, but it's also essential to follow Missouri's naming rules. Your LLC's name must include Limited Liability Company or one of its abbreviations like LLC. Avoid using terms like corporation or limited partnership, which might confuse your business structure with another legal entity. Once you have a name in mind, make sure it's unique by checking the Missouri Business Database. So I will leave the link in the description so that you'd be able to go here and you'd be able to check for the availability of your business name. If it's available but you're not ready to register anyway, you can reserve the name for 60 days for only $25. A smart tip, secure the domain name for your website even if you don't plan to launch it immediately. That way you'll have it when you're ready. So all you have to do right here is just provide your business name. So let's say Education LLC. And then from here, you can go for search right here, click here. And then you would now have the results if your name is currently available in Missouri. So all you have to do is go look here under the business name. You should not be able to see a business name right here that has the exact same name as you have right here. You can also look here in the status if it's currently active, forfeited, inactive, and so on, so that you'd be able to know if that name is currently available or not, even if it's already here in the database. And now, step 2, appoint a registered agent. The next step is to appoint a registered agent. This person or service will be responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. In Missouri, your registered agent must have a physical address in the state. You could serve as your own registered agent, but remember, your information will be publicly available. To protect your privacy, I recommend using a registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent. They will handle all of the documents for you, and the best part, they're offering their service for only $39 if you sign up through the link in the description. Plus, they provide the first year of registered agent services for free. And now, step 3, file your articles of organization. Filing your articles of organization is the most important step to officially form your LLC. You'll need to provide your LLC's name, purpose, and the details of your registered agent. You can file online or by mail. The online option is more affordable at $50, while filing by mail will cost you $105. The Missouri Secretary of State will review your submission, and once approved, your LLC is legally recognized. You'll also need to get an employer identification number or EIN from the IRS. This is essential for opening a business bank account, handling taxes, hiring employees. Luckily, you can apply for an EIN for free directly on the IRS website. And now, step number 4, create an operating agreement. Although it's not required by the state of Missouri, creating an LLC operating agreement is highly recommended. This document outlines the ownership structure, management, and how decisions will be made for your business. It's essential if your LLC has multiple members, as it helps avoid disputes down the road. If you need help drafting one, Northwest Registered Agent provides templates that can guide you throughout the process, and they will help you create this when you avail their services. And lastly, step number 5, keep your LLC compliant. Once your LLC is formed, make sure to keep it compliant by filing an annual report and paying your required state fees. This is crucial to maintain your LLC in good standing with the state. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have your Missouri LLC up and running in no time. If you want to skip the hassle of doing it all yourself, I highly recommend using Northwest Registered Agent. Their service costs just $39 and they'll handle everything for you, giving you more time to focus on your growing business. Click the link in the description to take advantage of this great deal.